Hey YouTube, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we have a 2023 Kawasaki zx14r and we have some voodoo pipe on it, but today we are here for the headlamps. So now we're gonna put these headlamps. These are H11 bulbs right here. So we're gonna put these H11 bulb inside the headlamp, and we got it from Autoone LED, so shout out to them. Let's get started. So guys, let's unbox this bulb, see what it looks like. So the packaging is good. Get some gloves, or some tiny gloves, because that won't be able to fit me. I'm so glad, guys, I was wrong about the gloves. The gloves did fit. So, and this is the bulb. This is the bulb right here, guys. The body itself is aluminum. Excellent build quality, I must say. The bulb feel solid, straight aluminum. You have a fan there that's protected, that's good, and there's no wire on it, so it's plug and play. So we're gonna install it in the bike right now. So guys, we already installed this one, so now we're gonna install this low beam right here. And to install it, guys, you don't need to take apart anything on the bike. Just need to turn the steering and the handle. Right there is the bulb down there, so get your hand down there, get it loose. Also, a link will be in the description where you can get this bulb right here. So you can see I got the bulb off. You want to squeeze this right here at the back, squeeze the clip, pull it. That's it. H11. So right here you can see you can squeeze this right here at the back and it will come loose. Here's the other bulb. We're gonna put it in. We're gonna plug it in first and then put it in. So we're gonna get our hand on here, find the hole, and it's just mostly about feeling. Once you play with it and it falls in, you just tighten it clockwise. So anti-clockwise to loosen it, or counterclockwise, and then to tighten it is clockwise once you slip it in. And yep, let's see with both of them in. You can see it looking super bright, guys. It's really bright. Shout out to autoone light for hooking me up on these LED right here. You can see, looking good. So that's it for this video, guys. It's not much to change a light for the ZX14 for the high beam. No, for the low beam it's not much, but for the high beam it's different, but it's easy, same way. So let's get into it, and please like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Peace out, see you next time.